The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Jake Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Wheels. The production Z06 Corvette comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged aluminum wheels. Available options include the more lightweight and rigid carbon fiber wheels that achieves an overall 41-pound reduction in weight and mass. Cockpit. In the driver-focused cockpit, premium materials continue to elevate the luxurious look and feel introduced with the Stingray. They're complemented with available carbon fiber trim that expresses the car's lightweight, track-purposed mantra. Unique features include an available carbon fiber wrapped steering wheel, shift paddles, and new carbon fiber interior trim package level 2. The Z06 also features hand-wrapped leather interior options, including the all-new available fully trimmed interior in adrenaline red. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Designed to perform. Almost every exterior detail unique to the Z06 serves a purpose for aerodynamics, handling, or cooling, with styling cues that all accentuate the car's sense of motion. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.